Hey everyone, if you're new to Discord and feeling a bit lost, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord, even if you've never used it before. Whether you want to chat with friends, join servers, or customize your profile, I'll walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner. What you'll learn in this video: what is Discord and why use it? How to create an account and set up Discord. How to join and navigate servers. How to use voice channels and video calls. How to add friends and send private messages. How to manage notifications and avoid spam. How to stay safe and report scams on Discord. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using Discord like a pro. Let's get started. So, what is Discord? Discord is a free chat app that lets you send messages, join voice calls, video chat, and stream games with friends or communities. People use it for gaming, study groups, business networking, fan clubs, and general chatting. Unlike WhatsApp or Messenger, Discord is organized into servers, where each server has different chat rooms, called channels. It's like a mix of Skype, Slack, and Reddit, all in one. Now, let's install Discord and create an account. Here's how. Go to discord.com and click Download. Install Discord on your PC, Mac, or mobile. Open the app and click Sign Up. Enter your email, username, and password. Verify your email and log in to your new Discord account. Now that you're in, let's explore how Discord works. Discord servers are where all the fun happens. Here's how to join one. Click plus, add a server in the left sidebar. Choose Join a Server and paste an invite link. Click Join and you're in. Understanding a server's layout: text channels, where you can send messages. Voice channels, where you can join voice chats. Categories. Servers are organized into different sections. Roles and permissions. Some members have special roles, like admins and moderators. Now you know how to join and navigate servers. Want to chat with friends in real time? Use voice channels. Here's how. Joining a voice channel. Click on any voice channel to join. Your microphone will automatically activate. Use the mute/unmute button to control your mic. Starting a video call. Inside a voice channel, click Turn on Camera. You can also screen share by clicking Share Your Screen. Now you can chat, video call, and even stream games with friends. If you don't want to chat in public servers, you can add friends and message them privately. How to add a friend: click on Friends in the left sidebar, click Add Friend and enter their Discord username. Send the request and wait for them to accept. How to start a private chat: DM. Click their name in friends list and select Message. You can also create a group DM for small friend groups. Now you can chat with friends without needing a server. New to Discord? You'll quickly realize that notifications can get annoying. Here's how to manage them. Muting a server. Right-click a server icon. Select Mute Server to stop alerts. Disabling Everyone Mentions. Go to Server Settings. Then Notification Settings. Toggle off. Allow everyone and hear mentions. Setting custom notification preferences. Go to User Settings, then Notifications. Adjust sounds, pop-ups, and mobile alerts. Unfortunately, not everyone on Discord is friendly. Here's how to block and report bad users. How to block someone: click their profile, select Block. They can't message or mention you anymore. How to report a user to Discord: copy their user ID, right-click, then copy ID. Go to support.discord.com. Submit a trust and safety report. Never click suspicious links. Many scams on Discord steal accounts. And that's it. Now you know how to use Discord like a pro. Want to chat with friends? Add them and start DMs. Want to join a community? Use invite links. Tired of spam? Mute notifications and block scammers. What was the hardest thing for you to learn on Discord? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.